Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys, well, another video about my Bobby backpack. So this right here is the Bobby Pro, and I'm gonna see if I can fit all this and most likely more into this. Let's get started. Okay, so before we get started, we have to get this bag open. From the front, you can't actually enter the bag. You can only enter from the back when the backpack's off. So that's safe for, let's say, anti-theft purposes. Okay, so let me just move all this. Get this on the table. Okay, so you can do this while it's closed, but it's way easier to do it completely open, and I want to show you guys the whole process. Okay, so let's get, oh yeah, okay. So I have a couple of things here. First item is a calculator. I like to put my calculator back here or in here. I also have a mouse that fits right into this mesh pocket. I have a pencil case. Inside of it are a couple pencils that can actually fit in. There's this little place for pencils right there. I guess I can put another one. Put this guy. Okay. Yep, they fit pretty neatly in there. And then I can actually just put the whole pencil case right in front of it. Another item, let's say I want to put my, I'm actually running out of items right now. Okay, my glasses case. Let's say I want to put away my glasses case. I can put that right here. Let's get started with my notebooks. So I have a folder full of all my notebooks and papers combined. So that actually can just go right here, and it fits pretty perfectly. It's all snug. This is around the size of an A4 paper. So if you want to keep that in mind while watching this video. And that actually leaves a lot of space. See, if you look at it from the top and put that over, you have this around this much space left. And let's say we like reading my school books. I want to put this guy right here. It's here. I still have some space left, so let me go get some more. Okay, so let's say we really love reading, so we want to put another book. And let's say you're a guy who likes to fix stuff while you're around. Have an iFixit kit. Sticks it right there. Just so you know, there's what's that? The mesh pockets in the back that I'm currently not using. We actually have a lot of space left. I have another book, Great Expectations. This side has my school on it, so I'm not going to show that. Okay, that fits pretty nicely. We have some space on the top. We can fit in the Bobby backpack rain jacket up here. Let's see what else we can carry. Okay, and if you really want it, you can put some more glasses, which fills up this whole side here. And this side's pretty much full too. Okay, there's another tablet pocket over here, around in this area. So let me get my tablet. This is the yoga book. If you haven't seen my video on it, I'll put it in the description. But this can fit in the tablet slot. It pops out a little, but that's fine. And I have my XPS 13. I have a couple of videos on those also in the description, or you can just check my channel. This guy will fit in here. Okay, now this side's pretty packed, this side's pretty packed. You'd expect it to not hold anything more. So let's close this guy. I'm not sure if it'll close. I don't recommend doing this, it's just for the video. Okay, it's actually closing. Look at that. Okay, I don't recommend packing it this full. It's actually really packed tight right now. It's popping out here. But we can fit more. On this back, oh, it's getting really heavy. On the back, there has this giant tablet pocket. We can fit this guy in there. Similar to the size of an iPad. It fits, wow, it fits perfectly. Zip that guy up. And we have way more space left. There's this bottom pocket right here. Let's say we want to fit our phone, maybe. I have my phone, let's put that in there. I have my wallet. Pack that in there. Okay, it seems pretty full. Zip that up. We're not done yet. Okay, so there's this side. I have my handy dandy chargers that came with XD Design. Okay, this side still has a lot more space. Let's say you and your friends love playing cards and you want to bring a deck of cards. Stick that in there. Okay, zip that up. Okay, on this side, let's say you have a water bottle. This one I already put the strap on it. And then this can connect here. So now you have a water bottle and everything we put inside there, which is a lot. That's around, I have no idea how much this weighs. I'll be right back. Okay, so I brought my scale. Oh wait, one thing. I have a transit card. I can fit it into the sleeve right there. Boom. Okay, now we're done. So I have this mustache scale. Okay, let's get it started. And then put this bag on top. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, that's around 7 kilograms of stuff in this backpack. And oh, this is really heavy. You're not gonna do this obviously all the time. I was just trying to show you how much you can actually fit in this thing, which is a lot. So yeah, basically this backpack's a beast. It may look small, it's compact, but it can fit a lot of stuff. I'm gonna try wearing it now and you can see how it looks like on me. So let's get right to that. So here's the backpack. Here's me, and I'm gonna wear it. Okay. So the whole thing about Bobby backpacks is that they're supposed to put all the weight to your back, like that, so that all the weight could be against it instead of pulling back at you. So it feels a little lighter when you're wearing it than when you're actually carrying it. And the water bottle thing fits like right there. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The backpack is pretty heavy, but it's bearable. I wouldn't recommend packing it as tight as I did in this video. You can take it out like that. I wouldn't recommend putting as much stuff in this video. I had a backpack, or I had the Bobby backpack, the first gen, and that kind of ripped on me when I did too much and put too much stuff in it. It's not a great sign for that backpack, but this backpack feels way better, and I'd actually recommend this. This was a little more expensive, but I pre-ordered both of them, so they're cheaper than normal. Okay, before I end the video, I forgot to show the video of me taking everything out, so I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so down here I had my phone and my wallet, still in there. Perfect. Okay. This side I had my deck of cards, still pristine. In here I had my transit card for easy access. Okay, now let's open it. It's most likely everything's gonna come out at once. This is actually really heavy. Okay, so I had my rain jacket, or for the backpack, I had a sunglass case. I had 1, 2, 3, 4 books. I had a bunch of notebooks and my folder. A lot of paper in here. I didn't show putting this in the backpack in the first place, but I have a portable battery made by RAV Power. My glasses case, my pencil case, my mouse, calculator, extra pencils on the outside. I'm gonna put that back in. If I pull back on this little holder, I have my tablet, or computer, laptop, hybrid, whatever you want to call it. And finally, my laptop. So let me just put on this table and show you how much actually fit into this backpack. I'm not sure if everything will fit in the frame though. Oh, I also had this milk tea. Okay, so laptop, calculator, mouse, pencil case, portable charger, glasses case. I had my phone, my wallet, my other glasses case. I had a deck of cards, a transit card, a rain jacket, 4 books. I'm running out of space. An iFixit kit, a tablet, and my folder. So let's just organize it so you can see it better. Let's put that there. Oh yeah. This is all that you could put inside of this Bobby backpack. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you liked it, thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, then let's get to 1,000 subscribers where I can take these things more seriously. Bye.